I am like this only. I don't think I can do anymore or anything about it.
I can't be active on social media at this stage.
I don't like networking. Why do I have to do that?
I don't think I can make changes in this stage of my life. Next myth I want to bust is a lot of women believe this that I am now retired and I just want to relax. Yeah, age is just a number. Look, you have worked so hard, you have developed a lot of skills, you've got a lot of talents. Why do you want to just let go of them? Share it with others, or you can do it to improve yourself. You have reached a stage where you're comfortably off, you're confident, so you can develop yourself further, or you can impart the knowledge that you have gained. So please do not say now it is time for me to retire, मैंने बहुत काम किया. But you have, if you're sound in body and mind, please work on yourself, work on your skills, or you please impart knowledge, but do not just sit back and relax. Retired is, if you rearrange the word, it is retried. नहीं Aruna?
As long as it's not retarded, it's fine.
Retarded is my default setting, but I am retired. मैं retired हो गई because मेरा टायर पे टायर है, तो मैं retired हो गई.
Myth number 7. Society sees me in this way. I can't change the perception of society. Yes, you are right. People will always have opinions. So you have two choices. One choice is to please people and to be very unhappy and miserable. Two is to take care of yourself because nobody else is going to and be happy. Let me give you a little insight. Once people see that you are happy in your new form and in your new avatar, then they are going to forget all the past and accept you as you are today.
True, and I have 2 tips to give out here. See, if you want to block what society says, tip number 1, wear headphones. Listen to music, listen to inner voice. Obviously, you will block whatever negative comments that come your way. Tip number 2, आप अपना फोन लेना और जोर से चिल्लाना फोन पर. What? How dare you? Are you mad giving me such stupid advice? और सामने वाला सुनते ही भाग जाएगा कि भाई हमको इसको कुछ एडवाइस देना ही नहीं है. Alright, Aruna, a lot of women want to reinvent themselves, but they really don't know how to go about it. So I think it's essential we share a few tips, right?
Absolutely. I think these tips will be very informative to all our viewers.
Yes. Tip number 1, as externally, you just find out who you want to be, visualize where you want to be, and go about working towards it. Internally, find a habit that you want to change and go about changing that habit. A lot of people focus on the outcome they want to change rather than the habit that formed it in the first place.
Coming to tip number 2, which I don't remember, I'm going to shut and I'm going to look at it. Tip number 2, set realistic goals. You cannot change yourself overnight, so set goals over a period of time. Be patient and just be at it. Also review yourself every few weeks so that you know that your actions are aligned to your goals.
Yes, she said realistic goals. So this is not applicable to football players. ऐसा ही मैं बोल रही हूँ. Next tip is practice every day. Practice makes perfect. Once you realize who you want to be, set about it in a dedicated path and you will reach your goal. So please don't give up on that. ये नहीं कि आज चालू किया 2 दिन के बाद मैं थक गई, I will not do it. It will not work like that. It requires dedicated effort and you must be at it.
The next tip number. Tip number 4. Surround yourself with people who love you and are truthful. Truthful people will be able to show you the mirror, keep you grounded, and be able to also guide you. Such kind of feedback is very important for your personal growth. Also, such kind of people will be able to motivate you and ensure that you are on your path.
Yes, अब मैं अपना फ्रेंडशिप टेस्ट करने वाली हूँ. अरुणा, मैं कैसे लग रही हूँ?
आज से तो बढ़िया लग रही है.
This is called true friend because she said the truth. Next tip is take risks. You will never achieve your goals if you do not step out of your comfort zone. There is a whole world out there. I have told you this in the previous episodes also. But you need to step out of your comfort zone to reinvent yourself. And only if you step out and take that risk will you become what you want to be.
Coming to the next tip, tip number 6, look at yourself regularly and reflect. Every once in a while, it is very important to take a look at yourself so that you can keep a check on where you are. Ask yourself some tough questions. Where you are today? What are the gaps? Where do you need to go? Whether your goals are aligned to where you are today. And these kind of questions are very important for you to course correct yourself.
Yes, she said look at yourself and reflect. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि पूरा दिन stare at the mirror, and this is not a tip for vanity. हाँ, ऐसा mirror देख के selfie लेना, ये this is not the tip we're talking about. Don't be afraid to express yourself. See, when you are reinventing yourself, it could be in any way, whether it's an opinion, an idea, even an outfit. Even that is reinventing yourself. That's an form of expression. So don't be afraid to express yourself, because when you do that, when you indulge in something that you want, it's a very liberating experience. You feel absolutely free. And once you do it, it's only then that you will realize if it aligns with the new you. So please do not be afraid.
And the next tip is find a mentor. It is very important for you to figure out a mentor for yourself, because that person can guide you. Well, there are different kinds of mentors available. The first kind of mentors are direct mentors, mentors who are physically there to guide you directly, who are in front of you. The second type of mentors are those who are not physically there. These kind of mentors are authors, the books that they have written, podcasts, etc. So choose what works for you. You can try both. Both are helpful. Another small 2DC technique, which is, there are mentors who tell you what they want you to do. So if you don't want to follow them, the first thing is just learn their style and then do exactly what you want to do.
Last tip is declutter your life of emotional and physical baggage. See, when you are starting a new chapter in your life, leave behind all negative emotions, negative people, negative feedback, negative feelings, and start afresh. So either you can, start afresh in a new location or with a new person or whatever it is that is going to give you that impetus, that push to propel you forward. अब अरुणा, मैंने भी ऐसा declutter my emotional baggage, my physical baggage. I removed 5 किलो कपड़ा and 6 pairs of shoes. मैंने सब निकाल दिए और वापस डाल दिया कपबोर्ड में. Now I have excess baggage.
And with this we come to the end of our show.
Cut it! Take 7.
And with this we come.
Action! Take 57.
Okay, I'll start the entire part. Okay?
Action!
And with this we come to the end of our show, Reinvention Over 40. Guys, it's taken you a lot of time to reach where you are today, and it will take you some time to reach where you want to be. Let me tell you that reinvention is a lot of hard work. It needs patience and the right attitude. We do hope that you have liked our topics and the tips that we have been able to share, and you have benefited from this episode.
Yes, and if you have any queries, do write to us at femurai.com. That is an email ID, okay? And we will be happy to answer your queries. And till then, stay safe. Goodbye. Take care. Love you.
Bye-bye.